Hey ladies, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY carnival shoes for carnival. So what you're going to need are an old pair of running shoes, some white spray paint, some spray paint of your choice, some E6000 glue, some jewels, some feathers, chains, whatever you want. So right here I spray painted my shoe already white. I did 2 coats of that, and then I spray painted my shoes red because my costume is going to be red this year. And I just got some feathers from a jewelry store, or arts and crafts store, sorry. And I just started putting the feathers down and the jewels. I didn't have any particular style that I was looking for. I just started to put them down and go with it. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be to your liking. So then I got some gold chain and I'm just gluing that in the center of my jewels, and I'm just gluing that to the sides and to the front of my shoe. And make sure when you're using E6000 glue just to hold it down for a few seconds before you carry on, or else it's going to just like fall apart. I then added more jewels on top of my previous jewels because I think this was like kind of similar to my costume for this year. But yeah, that's basically it. And so this is the final look of my shoes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have fun on Carnival Day. See you. Bye.